Okay, Melissa, it's your birthday, right? Yep. Well, I I may not have enough laundry to do, but we can at least jam some music with the speaker. Yep. Angelica, yeah? It's time for Melissa to read our homemade cards. Okay. Now, Melissa, which card do you want to read first? I want to read your card. Okay. Here it is. Okay, thank you. I'ma read it. Oh, come on. We'll have it like that. Angelica, you better not. You better hope you're not in trouble. Why? Because when she's done reading my card, it's your turn. Yeah, I know. Oh, thank you, boss. I love it. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright, let me see Angelica's. Okay. Here it is. Let me move that. You are old, especially at 11. What, Angelica, really? You are an old lady. No, I'm not. Okay, let me see the inside. Oh God, I hope she doesn't fall fit. What the? Oh my God! What? I'm holding a cane! Look! Really? The card says... Look at this, boss. Look what Angelica wrote. More so, you may be old, young in general, but you feel old on the inside. And you think that you're the queen of gangsters, too. But you also have a soft side, too. But mainly you're crazy. Yeah, that's exactly what she wrote! You think this is funny? Yeah! That's what you get for bossing us around. Really? Yes, really. You deserve it. Oh, God. Thanks, Angelica. Thanks. That was kind of hilarious, not gonna lie. Really? I thought you were gonna flip out. I'll do that tomorrow. Huh. Well, okay. Angelica, you're lucky that she didn't yell at you. Yeah, I know. Alright. How come the cards didn't have any money? I don't know, I forgot to get the money. I'll give you your money later. Anyways. Is it just me, or does the white look like there's enough? I don't know. You know what? Whatever then. But at least... How about we at least listen to something? Oh yeah, definitely. Let me get the speaker ready then. Now boss, did you remember to charge the battery this time? Yeah, I did it last night. So it should be fully charged. Okay. Let's turn this on. Okay, Melissa, what song do you want to listen to? I want to listen to that one song that is stuck in my head. Okay. Go ahead and find it so we can play it. Here it is. What? What is it? It's this one. Oh wait, Melissa, don't play that. Don't play that. Why not? First of all, that song is stuck in my head and I don't want it to get into my head even more. And plus, I don't want to get content mashed. So, how about we listen to your favorite song? What, this one? Yeah, that one. Okay. And turn that down a little. There, enjoy your music. Oh, thank you. Now I gotta have a talk with Angelica real quick. Angelica, yeah? You are so lucky right now. Why? You're lucky that Melissa didn't yell at you. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Now, you're gonna make her want to write a card about something insane about you. No, I doubt she will. You doubt she will. Yeah, I don't think she'll do it. Okay, fine. Don't become complaining to me if your card says something insane about it. Okay. Yeah, and don't you write an insane card to me either. On my birthday. Okay, I won't. I won't do that. Okay, good. What was you talking about? Nothing. I was just talking about your card from Angelica. Oh, okay. By the way, boss, what did you mean by content mashed? What does that even mean? I don't know, I was just saying that. Okay. You know, boss, I wish you hung up that one golden happy birthday banner up again like you did last year. Yeah, but I didn't have any time. And it would have been better if there was balloons as well. And some party lights. That takes a while to set up, Marissa. Like last year, I hung up that golden birthday banner, and it took a while for me to get it situated. So that's why I didn't do it this year. You know what? That's fine. I'm okay with that. Okay then. Angelica, I got something to say to you. What is it? I think you're insane. Why? For what you said in my birthday card? It's not insane. I did that for fun. You sure? Because I find it insane. I thought you was okay with it. I am okay with it, but I just think it's a little bit insane. For God's sake, it's not insane. Yes, it is. Is not. Is too. Is not. Is too. Is not. Is too. Okay. Enough with the fighting. No more fighting. But boss, ain't I the boss for today? Yeah? I forgot about that rule. Dang it. You forget everything. I know. What did I tell you, Angelica? I told you the card was insane. It sounded safe for crying out loud! Yes, it is. Yeah. I'm done arguing about this. I'm done. I'm absolute done. Enjoy your music. Again. I will. I'll definitely enjoy it. I would like to thank you all for wishing Melissa a very happy birthday on Facebook and YouTube. She really appreciates it. Now, that should be it for this birthday video. I know it's not that special this year, but, you know. Anyways, happy birthday, Melissa, and peace.